Man, so who watched last week's video with Mari? That was a really fun video, and if you guys didn't catch it, highly recommend you guys do before you watch this video. It's gonna be linked up here. But I just wanted to tell you guys before this video starts that I was really happy with like the reception that you guys had, I guess, towards that video. A lot of you guys really liked the interactions that I had with Mari and stuff, and you guys liked having a guest on the show. And I think that we will start to do that a little bit more often. It was pretty fun. It changes like the dynamics and stuff, and hopefully we can get like a couple sneaker YouTubers on here if they ever visit Hawaii, aka come out to Hawaii, guys. But yeah, let me know who you guys would want to see, or if you guys want Mari back on the show, then let me know in the comments below. Anyway, this box is $1,500 from Direct Kicks, and we'll be opening it up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another Sneaker Mystery Box Friday episode, guys. This one is $1,500 and I'm super excited to open this one up. But before we get into the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black has been rocking with the channel for quite a long time, guys. It's 2020, but Rose Gold and Black is still here because they are literally the minimalistic jewelry company that I go to because they have impeccable style. If you guys check this out over here, I actually have a new piece from Rose Gold and Black, something I've never worn on the channel before. And this one is like an axe necklace. You guys can check it out over here. This one is a little bit bigger of a piece, so if you guys are basically looking for something a little bit more flashy, then this is probably the style for you. A lot of nice pieces on the website, guys, and the thing that I love most about Rose Gold and Black is that the prices are affordable. It's not like you're spending like thousands of dollars on jewelry at like your local mall or something. These things are affordable, and it's something that you can add to your style that is like fairly priced, but you're actually getting a very good item. Like, this is high quality stuff. If you guys are interested in checking out Rose Gold and Black, then feel free to hit the description below. If you guys click on that link, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order as well as free shipping. So take advantage of that, guys. Use that link in the description and copy your Rose Gold and Black today. So who's ready to see the box, guys? $1,500, let's open it up. Okay, so I don't know why, but I guess Direct Kicks is sending out the rest of like their Christmas stuff because this one is in like Christmas wrapping paper. That's cool. Oh man, and we are starting it off with a banger. This might be the money shoe of the box, like right off the top. Because if you guys look over here, this thing is a Supreme Air Force One High, and this thing is in pretty okay condition. Nah, it's pretty beat up, guys. This one is going to be in a size 12, and I'm going to let you guys see it close up over here on the camera. This thing is pretty darn beat. There's a lot of scuffing back here that you guys can see. These like letters and stuff even have like burn marks in them. I'm not sure how that happened, but yeah, you guys can see that. Also has a huge cut over the toe box, a lot of like creasing on the leather and whatnot, but I guess the rest of the shoe isn't too bad. Yeah, definitely a very worn sneaker, but at the end of the day, this is a Supreme collab with Nike, and this is actually a pretty, it's a pretty good seller. So I don't think this is the money shoe of the box per se, but there should still be some good value regardless of condition and stuff. So that is a good first shoe. Again, this one is in size 12. I can't fit a size 12, so if you guys are interested in picking this one up, it will be on untitledhawaii.com. And that is actually it for the shoes without boxes. Let's move to the shoes with boxes now. This one is a Yeezy Power Phase in a size 11. And for this one, we have the gray Power Phase model. Okay, so this one does look like it's in dead stock condition. You guys see the tag still attached over here, so that's good. Definitely not one of like the higher sellers for the Yeezy line. It is more of a standard pair, and it doesn't have too much going for it. You guys will see the Calabasas logo over here, but other than that, there's nothing like super branded about this shoe. So a lot of people sleep on this one, and rightfully so. However, I mean, dead stock shoe, so in terms of value for us, that's still a good profit right there. Next shoe out, this one looks like a kid's box. Women's Air Jordan 11, size 5.5. Okay. Ooh, these are actually pretty nice, man. Oh, and they're dead stock? Or is just this tag attached? Come on, tell me they're dead stock. I think these are dead stock too, so that would be kind of cool. Instead of patent leather, it does have like this like sparkly kind of like glitter look around the shoe over here. Also has a metallic Jumpman up here and that Stitch 23 on the back heel. You guys can check out those icy bottoms as well. So this is actually a pretty dope shoe. I can actually see a lot of women digging this look, and a size 5.5 is a pretty good size for women's shoes as well. So this is a good pickup right here. Definitely some good value on the counter. Whoa, this thing is like falling apart. Okay, next shoe out is a Foamposite box. as you guys can see. This one is a Foamposite I haven't seen before though. It looks like the upper is made out of suede for this one, and I don't really like this at all. Like when you guys check this out, I mean, suede on the upper for a Foamposite makes it look kind of ridiculous, man. Usually you guys know a Foamposite model has like that shiny look and glossy kind of look instead. So this is just very, very weird for a shoe. If I didn't mention, this one is in a size 9.5. I don't know, maybe the guy wore it a lot. It looks pretty beat. It is what it is though, size 9.5. Next up, everybody's favorite shoe, a Yeezy 700 box. Okay, this is not a Yeezy 700 box. This is just a replacement box for a pair of Yeezy breads. So that's actually a lot better than the Yeezy 700s. Like, even though they're an older release model, a lot of people really like these still because they have that classic like Yeezy silhouette without like that stripe going through it anymore, and it still says supply 350 on it. So I think this one is a really good shoe to have. This one is in a size 12, and it does look like it's in super solid condition. Uppers are like 100% clean, so there's no issues up there at all. You guys can check that out. And when you guys look at those bottoms, the boost does not look that bad at all. So this is a very good condition Yeezy bread. Really like that, and I can see why it's in a replacement box now because this is in solid condition. All right, got like 5 boxes left in here, man. That's a lot of shoes in here. This one is an SB model though, size 12, and this one, whoa, dude, I haven't seen these in person yet. Oh man, these are sick in person. Okay. Wow, and this must be in dead stock condition, right? Because these things just came out. Yup, lace back still attached on the other shoe. Okay, dude, I am feeling pretty good right now. I'm feeling pretty good. These are the new ray guns that actually just released. So these are the new ray guns that just came out. As you guys can see on the back, it has the Roswell ray gun mascot back here with his little like laser beams, and apparently I guess this is supposed to be what an alien looks like. But yeah, Nike's take on an alien. And this one is like a tie-dye kind of look on it. Leather is pretty good, it feels like. Tongue obviously has that ray guns up here as well, and just a really clean aesthetic over the entire shoe. Like I said, the other shoe still has a lace bag attached, so this is a dead stock pair of ray guns, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm wondering if I should get a pair in my size, dude. Sell these because they're size 12 and then buy my size. Might have to. I think I would like the white version though better than this. All right, next up is a Jordan 1 box. Dang, dude, Direct Kicks is bringing the heat, man. This is crazy. So this looks like a pair of reverse shattered backboards. It's in really good condition. Again, what's going on here, man? These are crazy. So if you guys check this out, this is a size 4Y Jordan 1 reverse shattered backboard. This is the second version of it, not the third. Third version was the worst. Second was the second worst. And then the SB 1.0 is obviously the best. So I guess it's literally ranked in order of like how good they are. Anyway, when you guys check this one out, this one is in size 4Y, and it does look like it is in almost brand new condition, I would say. You guys can see like there's very minimal creasing over here on the toe box, like not really anything actually. I don't even see much heel drag back here. There's like no star loss over the top. It looks like it's in as close to dead stock condition as you guys can get. So this one will be a banger for the counter as well. A lot of people have been liking these a lot more. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, orange shoe, go figure, right? All right guys, couple left in here. This one is a 10.5 though, Jordan 1 mid. Okay, I don't know what these are called. I'm not a mid person, but they do look like they're in brand new condition, so for what it's worth, that's a good thing. But yeah, it looks like it has like a turbo green kind of look with like a pink swoosh. Well, pink outline swoosh at least. And over here on the tongue, it does have a unique pattern up here as well. This one is a dead stock pair, unworn, brand new, so that value is good right there. All right, 2 shoes left in here. This one is a Jordan 1 in a size 10.5, and this model is the, ooh, nice. Okay, this is the Laney's, guys. Laney Jordan 1s. These are actually a pretty old sneaker. I believe they're from, oh no, that's gross. Okay, am I gonna touch this? I do it for the channel. I'm gonna do it for the channel. I'm not sure if these socks were supposed to come with the Laney's, guys, but there's socks in here and they match the Laney's pretty well. So yeah, I'm hoping that the guy like cleaned these before. I'm not putting that back in the shoe, man. That's okay. Very nice color blocking over here. Got that yellow, got that blue. Very hard to match with a lot of things except for those socks. So I guess that sock kind of works out for it. But yeah, I'm not keeping these even though I can fit them. And you guys can see there's a lot of life left in these too. So very nice pair right here. It comes with socks. I don't know, if you guys want the socks, then it will be included in the shoe. All right, so the last shoe in here is like in an Amazon shipping box or something. I don't know, this is weird. It's not a shoe box. But yeah, this one is a pair of Jordan 3s, and I think this is one of the ones that just came out. I think these are the International Flight 3s. What size is this? Size 8. So a size 8 Jordan 3 International Flight. The color blocking and stuff looks really good on this. Definitely a patriotic shoe. Yeah, this is like a laser on version, so I guess that comes in all the sneakers. Would have been cool if it was like actually signed by MJ, but you know what it is. Rest of the shoe looks solid. I do think it is close to dead stock, or it actually is dead stock. Very good right there, and I can see why it's in a replacement box now, so that's good, and a good way to end the box. I was hoping for a money shoe, but I guess we already passed it. So that's actually it for this box, guys. We are all tapped out here now, emptied up, and I think the box is actually pretty solid. Like when you guys look at what we had, it was a lot of good selling shoes, like a lot of Jordan 1s, a lot of dead stock stuff. Got the Supremes that I forgot about, like at the first shoe of the box. Got those SB Dunks that were like brand new condition as well. So another good box, it looks like, from Direct Kicks, guys. What I've liked about them is that they actually put in a good like amount of like dead stock shoes with their worn sneakers, because I think that's really important, because those things can be sold like pretty much instantly on like a sneaker app, because you can sell it as brand new, and you'll get some money back from like that huge investment of like 1,500 bucks that you put in. So that is really good. If you guys do want to check out Direct Kicks, they will be linked in the description below. This box is not sponsored by Direct Kicks, but I do like to put the like link for the company that I buy them from in the description below, just so you guys can check out the boxes if you guys are potentially interested. So that will be there as well. Anyway, guys, that is it for this box. Another week down, and hopefully we will have like another guest on for next week's beater box. It's gonna be a big one. It's actually over $4,000. So for the people that stay tuned to the end of this video, you guys know it's gonna be a banger. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this content. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!